Did you know that with just one simple kitchen ingredient, your Anthurium can grow greener and bloom longer all year round? Welcome to Flower Care Garden, where every leaf and petal is cared for with patience and love. In today's video, I'll share a natural and easy method you can do at home to keep your leaves glossy, roots strong, and blooms vibrant without complicated chemical fertilizers. Stay until the end, because sometimes the simplest things create the biggest transformation in your garden. Before care, I inspect the plant and notice some torn and damaged leaves. These areas can slow growth and increase the risk of fungal disease in humid conditions. Which country are you watching this video from? I'm so happy to welcome you to Flower Care Garden. Please leave a comment below and let me know. It's amazing that we can connect and share from all around the world. After pruning, I apply a thin layer of turmeric powder to the cut areas to disinfect and protect the plant. Curcumin in turmeric provides antibacterial and antifungal benefits, helping wounds heal faster. The first ingredient I am using today to care for my Anthurium is garlic, a natural ingredient that is easy to find and safe when used properly. I choose 3 fresh cloves and keep the thin outer skin, because it still contains natural compounds that can dissolve in water. I then slice the garlic into small pieces to increase the surface area, allowing the soluble compounds to diffuse more effectively during soaking. Once prepared, I place the garlic into a clean glass jar to begin creating a solution that supports plant care. Next, I pour about 1 liter of hot water into the jar with the prepared garlic, and gently stir to help the soluble compounds disperse into the water. Garlic contains natural compounds that may support the growing environment when used at an appropriate dilution. After stirring, I let the mixture steep for about 30 minutes, allowing it to cool completely before applying it to the plant. The second ingredient I use is rice, a common kitchen staple that contains many nutrients beneficial for plant growth. I add 3 tablespoons of rice into a clean glass jar, then pour in 1 liter of boiling water and gently stir to ensure the grains are evenly exposed. Using boiling water effectively extracts starch, B vitamins, iron, and other minerals from the rice bran layer while also helping sterilize the solution and reduce harmful microorganisms. Finally, I let the mixture soak for about 30 minutes to allow the nutrients enough time to dissolve into the water. After soaking the garlic for about 30 minutes, I stir the mixture well and then strain out the garlic solids, keeping only the extracted solution rich in active compounds. This straining process removes residue, reducing the risk of root blockage or creating conditions favorable for fungal growth. At the same time, the filtered solution is cleaner, easier to use, and safer for watering or spraying plants. Next, I strain out the rice solids, keeping only the nutrient-extracted liquid. Then, I combine this solution with the garlic extract prepared earlier. The combination of these 2 natural ingredients creates a nutrient solution rich in minerals and beneficial compounds for plants. This mixture contains no synthetic chemicals, is non-toxic, and is environmentally friendly. As a result, plants can absorb nutrients safely and efficiently during their growth and development. Step 1. I use a clean cotton pad soaked in the garlic and rice solution, then gently wipe the entire surface of the Anthurium leaves. This is a crucial step because leaves not only perform photosynthesis, but can also absorb certain nutrients directly through their surface. The garlic and rice solution helps remove dust, fungal spores, and bacteria from the leaf surface, allowing the plant to breathe and photosynthesize more efficiently. Garlic contains allicin, a powerful natural antibacterial compound that helps prevent leaf spot, rot, and other harmful pathogens. Rice water provides B vitamins, minerals, and natural starch that help nourish leaf tissues and enhance their healthy shine. Regular leaf wiping also supports better sap circulation, especially beneficial for red Anthuriums that are weakened or stressed by environmental conditions. With this simple action, you not only make the leaves cleaner and shinier, but also provide a natural nutrient boost that keeps the plant healthy and blooming consistently throughout the year. Step 2. I pour the garlic and rice solution into a spray bottle and lightly mist the entire red Anthurium, including the stems, leaves, and the surface of the growing medium. This is an important feeding step that allows the plant to absorb nutrients quickly through both the leaves and root zone, ensuring balanced and stable growth. The allicin in garlic provides natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, helping protect the plant from common issues such as root rot, leaf rot, and brown spots. Rice water supplies B vitamins, minerals, and mild organic compounds that enhance metabolic activity and nutrient uptake. For red Anthuriums that are weakened or stunted, this solution acts as a natural nutrient source, supporting recovery and encouraging stronger root development. The fine mist evenly coats the leaves, promoting deeper green color, natural shine, and stronger texture, clear signs of a thriving plant. With just 1 or 2 applications per week, you will notice a clear transformation, healthier roots, fuller foliage, and more consistent blooming throughout the year. Step 3. I evenly pour the garlic and rice solution directly onto the Anthurium growing medium to deeply nourish the root system. This step is essential because the roots are the plant's most efficient nutrient-absorbing organs. As the solution penetrates the medium, the active compounds from garlic and nutrients from rice water directly reach the root zone, stimulating faster, stronger, and more extensive root growth. Allicin in garlic provides natural antibacterial and antifungal protection, helping guard roots against rot and soil-borne pathogens. At the same time, rice water supplies B vitamins and minerals that enhance metabolic activity and improve nutrient uptake in the roots. Direct application also helps maintain stable moisture levels in the medium, creating favorable conditions for sustainable root development. With a strong root system, the Anthurium will produce new shoots more quickly, develop vibrant green leaves, and bloom more brilliantly. After soaking the entire growing medium in the garlic and rice solution for about 10 minutes, I gently lift the plant out and allow excess liquid to drain naturally. I then place the plant in a bright location with indirect sunlight, avoiding direct exposure to prevent heat stress and leaf burn. In the final step, I use a soft cotton cloth to gently wipe all the Anthurium leaves. Wiping the leaves removes dust and any remaining solution, keeping the surface clean and allowing better air exchange and photosynthesis. Drying the leaf surface also reduces excess moisture, lowering the risk of fungal growth and pest infestation. This is not only a technical finishing step in the care process but also an opportunity to closely observe and connect with your plant's overall health. With just two familiar ingredients, garlic and rice water, you can care for your Anthurium in a completely natural, safe, and effective way at home. No chemical fertilizers, no complicated techniques, just a little time and proper care, and your plant will begin to transform noticeably. Anthurium is not just a decorative plant, it also symbolizes luck, vitality, and resilience in your living space. If you found this method helpful, please like, share, and subscribe so I can continue sharing more natural plant care secrets in the upcoming videos.